Today I'm showing you all of the IKEA products I have in my living room. From furniture to lighting and decor, we are going through everything. I'll show you how you can easily make your living room stylish and modern only by using budget-friendly IKEA products. I'm Mon, by the way. Thank you so much for stopping by. We are starting with the IKEA living room products right now. Let's start off with this gorgeous rattan chair. This one is so beautiful and warms up my living room so much. I added a seat cushion and a round throw pillow. Even though this one looks like it's not that comfortable, trust my word for it, it absolutely is. Mars just loves hanging out here. Next one is the MOSSLANDA Picture ledge. I have two of these in white. They are so sleek and minimal. These are amazing for displaying art prints and decor while keeping it minimal and stylish. My favorite IKEA decor though is this wooden guy. Such a Scandinavian piece of decor, right? And of course, the BESTÅ unit, which is one of my favorite series at IKEA. It's budget-friendly and looks so gorgeous and minimal. I just love it. You can hang this one on the wall too, but I like it better this way. It can store so many things behind closed doors, which is essential when it comes to organized living rooms. Another product I love in my living room is this wall light. This one's dimmable and looks really sleek. You can easily direct the light where you want it because the spot is adjustable. There are several versions of this one and I'll make sure to link all of them. And when we are talking about lights, of course I have the famous IKEA lampshade in my living room. Love this one, it matches perfectly with the rattan chair and definitely gives those Japandi vibes. I absolutely love it. And this is a DIY IKEA hack I did with the cheapest floor lamp I found at IKEA. It turned out so beautiful. I'll link the tutorial video down below. And of course I have the FLÅDIS Basket, where I keep all of my blankets. This sofa organizer is the best for organizing your remotes. However, they don't sell this particular one at IKEA anymore. Such a shame. No wonder this birch stool is a top seller at IKEA. It's so compact, minimal, and sleek. I love it. I use it as a side table for my sofa and armchair, and it looks so gorgeous. This one is also a DIY IKEA hack. I made this one with IKEA's SORTSÖ Rug. I'll link the tutorial on how to do it down below. One more product I think they discontinued at IKEA is the Nesna table. It originally has a glass tabletop, but I added a white piece of plywood to match the style of my living room better. And last is this cute plate mat. I use it as a decor on my coffee table. Did you like my living room? If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button, since it really helps my small channel a lot. Also, let me know which product was your favorite by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. Also, let me know which budget-friendly IKEA products you have in your living room. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, designers!